Are you curious about woodworking but not sure where to start? And whether you're a complete beginner or looking to expand your skills, woodworking offers a world of creativity and satisfaction. Today we delve into the benefits of woodworking and the essential tools every beginner needs. Welcome to the workshop, future woodworkers. Woodworking isn't just about creating beautiful pieces. It's a rewarding hobby with numerous benefits. So, let's uncover why you should consider getting into woodworking. First off, woodworking is incredibly therapeutic. It offers an escape from the daily grind, immersing you in a calming and fulfilling activity. Plus, there's nothing quite like the satisfaction of creating something with your own hands. But that's not all. Woodworking also sparks creativity. Whether you're building furniture, carving sculptures, or crafting decorative items, woodworking allows you to unleash your imagination and bring your ideas to life. And let's not forget about the valuable skills you'll gain along the way. From measuring and cutting to assembly and finishing, woodworking teaches problem solving, patience, and attention to detail, skills that are useful both in and out of the workshop. Now, to get started on your woodworking journey, you'll need the right tools. Here are the essentials. A cordless circular saw offers versatility and portability, while a hand saw is perfect for precise cutting, and a hammer is a must for various assembly tasks. And don't forget about measuring tape and a level for accuracy, as well as a cordless drill and drill bits for drilling holes and driving screws. An orbital sander is essential for achieving smooth finishes, while a chisel set allows for intricate detailing. And of course, clamps are indispensable for holding pieces securely in place during assembly. With these essential tools in hand, along with wood glue, stain, and paint for finishing touches, you'll be well equipped to embark on your woodworking adventures. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of woodworking and unlock your creativity today. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to help you on your woodworking journey. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more woodworking inspiration and tutorials. Until next time, happy woodworking.